Hello, sir. Good evening. Ramandeep this side. We are group number one and we are going to give presentation. Firstly, I would like to introduce the member of our group. There are total four group members. Me, Ramandeep, Dushyant Singh, Ritik and Sahil. So we are going to give presentation on sustainable information system integration in an organization to facilitate adoption of enterprise. And here we have just chose Telstra as an organization. First, and the executive summary for the presentation is that this presentation found the major problem that Australia's leading telecommunication company, that is Telstra, has been encountered. There are major challenges that this company identified were those of the IS infrastructure, high energy consumption within the data centers, and the overall complexity in an integrity technologies such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Sustainable IS practices and also enterprise technologies were analyzed in the context of the Telstra's operations. Okay, so if we discuss about the introduction, that how we're going to introduce our presentation on the topic, here is the enterprise and sustainability. These are two of the major definition I would like to explain here. Firstly, what is sustainability? Sustainability refers to the practices that meet the current needs without compromising the future generation ability to meet theirs, and it focuses on balancing the environmental, social, and economic factors to minimize negative impacts on the planet and society. Second, the definition for the enterprise, if we want to explain it briefly, it is the integration of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, big data analytics, and automation into the business processes as it aims to create the smart, data driven, and efficient organization, often leading to innovations in products, services, and operations. And here, Enterprise 4 integrates the applied advanced technologies like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics into the modern business function. And the presentation will describe how sustainable IS practices can be introduced to enable the transition of a business model to Enterprise 4. Because to be competitive, these technologies must be there in the company, like Telstra Corporation, the largest telecommunication and the technology firm in Australia, as it is one of the leading company in Australia. And if we see the organizational background, we have chosen the Telstra as I have discussed before as well, as it is one of the largest telecommunications and technology company. It had been at the forefront of the providing high-end digital and telecommunication services to the customers and to the international share markets as well. However, there are some of the, we can say, challenges and changes that needs to be done for the Telstra transition as compared to the rest telecommunication companies so that it can have a good and better impact in the future as well. Okay, so if we discuss about the current challenges, there are three major current challenges that has been encountered by Telstra. First and foremost is the outdated information system, the infrastructure. Despite its size and resources, Telstra still relies on the legacy of IS infrastructure that hampers the efficiency. Because if we go any for any of the technological things or any telecommunication company, the efficiency matters a lot. Customers see the reliability, customers see the efficiency of the product before using it. They just rely on efficiency, applicability. And second one is pressure to improve sustainability, as we already discussed about the sustainability. It refers to the current needs without compromising the future generation, and it covers all the social, economical changes that changes that minimize the negative impacts. So, here for the pressure to improve sustainability, the corporation has pledged to be net zero by 2050, but it is most likely to be completely translate the sustainability agenda into its core and day-to-day operations. Third and the last one is integration of enterprise food technologies. As we have discussed about the enterprise food, that is the integration of the advanced technologies, that is Internet of Things, machine learning, so that the company would have a great business operations in the market and can lead easily.
Hi, my name is Ritik. I am telling you about business operations impact, increased operational cost. Dependence on outdated and inefficient IS infrastructure increases the cost of operational activities, majorly attributed to the energy consumption of data centers and IT operations. Second point is slower innovation cycles. Non-integration of enterprise technologies fully implies that the innovation cycles in a Telstra are very slower than those of the competition that has integrated the concept of digital transformation much deeper. Third point is customer experience issues. The inefficiencies caused by fragmented IS system lead to a suboptimal customer experience in an effective way. Second slide is key concepts of sustainability and enterprise. Yes, sustainability practices therefore involve optimum utilization of resources, minimization of waste, and optimization of energy use. Since the global ICT industry contributes about 2% of global carbon emissions, companies like Telstra need to embrace sustainability as a core component of their IS strategy. Enterprise is the integration and use of advanced technology, including AI, big data analytics, and others in many business processes to result in the smart, automated, and data-driven organizations. My third slide is interconnection between environment, society, and economy. Environmental. Green IS practice will contribute toward a decreased carbon footprint from Telstra's point of view to be a part of global achievements toward betterment of the environment and fulfillment of all Australian regulations targeting lowered emissions. Social. Sustainable IS practices can create a comfortable workplace which cares about responsibility for the environment and make employees satisfied with work. Economic. Telstra can consume much lesser amounts of energy and operate in a more efficient way by leveraging green IS and enterprise 4.0 technologies. My fourth slide is triple bottom line framework. The relationship among sustainability, enterprise 4.0, and organizational performance is the triple bottom line framework. TBL theory developed by John Ellington focuses on the three key dimensions: people, planet, and profit. That is social responsibility, environmental sustainability, and economic viability. In the context of Telstra IS sustainability practices, TBL theory perfectly relates to the uptake of green computing and energy efficient technologies which abate their environmental footprint planet. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahil and I will explain in this slide technology trends driven enterprise 4.0. We have IoT and smart infrastructure. The Internet of Things connect devices to gather data in real time, making things like energy use and system performance more efficient. We have artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML helps company to predict trends and automate tasks. And we have cloud computing and edge computing. Moving data to cloud reduce the need of for the physical infrastructure, cutting cost and increase efficiency. In this second slide, we have challenges in IS adoption of Enterprise 4.0. Legacy systems. Older system can down progress and make it harder to integrate new technologies like AI and IoT. So we have cyber security risk. With more devices connected through IoT and cloud system, the risk of cyber attacks and data breach increases. With sustainability concern, companies like Telstra need to balance their digital transformation with environmental responsibility, reducing energy use and carbon emissions. In this second slide, we explain technology, organization, environmental framework. The trends and challenges impact information system in the context of Enterprise 4.0 in the technology organization environment framework. In the case of Telstra, the TOE framework helps to analyze how emerging trends like IoT and AI as well as cloud computing are driven technologies changes. The environmental aspect of TOE framework deals with external factors such as regulatory pressure associated with sustainability and carbon footprint reduction as well as the compliance requirement, concern energy efficient data centers and e-waste management. Recommendations for sustainable IS integration. Cloud computing, moving data storage to centralized energy efficient data center to reduce the physical infrastructure. And according to the 2021 Uptime Institute report, there is a prospect of storing large amount of data greener. There are potential for greener data storage solution. And we have artificial intelligence and big data and analytics. AI can improve how companies monitor energy use, customer behavior and network performance, making operation more efficient.
Hello, my name is Ushan, and I'll be talking about critical evaluation of the recommendation. So, cloud-based solutions have considerably reduced the requirement for local infrastructure, with the consequent reduction in energy consumption and thus associated IT operated related environmental impacts. The IoT and AI also bring numerous opportunities for optimization and sustainability. Indeed, a study in 2021 indicated that an efficient energy consumption data center could decrease operational expenditure by 25% within 5 years. So these are the recommendations given to Tesla by our report. And if I talk about the collaborative and independent efforts for implementation, for integrating such sustainable IS practice smoothly, there should be internal collaboration of the IT, sustainability, and operation units at Tesla for attaining alignment with corporate priorities on sustainability. Telstra should also collaborate with external technology vendors, sustainability consultants, as well as renewable energy providers to tap into the best expertise and resource required to implement the solutions outlined above. A systematic mechanism of continuous improvement process and feedback loops would have to be established by Telstra. This process should involve a continuous monitoring process pertaining to consumption of energy. And to conclude our report, this presentation examines Tesla's corporation's challenges related to outdated information system that they are using, as well as the need to adopt sustainable practices in line with Enterprise 4.0 technologies. The evaluation of these recommendations demonstrated their potential to decrease operational costs, improve customer services, as well as enhance further environmental sustainability on evaluation. Lastly, by embracing these IS sustainable practices and Enterprise 4.0 technologies, Telstra will be able to achieve her twofold objective of digital transformation and sustainability. So these are our group's our recommendation to Telstra. Thank you.